I'm across the street at the neighbors right here, and to give you an idea of what my lawn looked like, I can tell you what their lawn looks like right here. It's pretty pathetic, okay? Um, Not much grass left, and mostly weed, as you can see. So this is the state of many lawns around here, because lawns, if you don't take care of them, this is what you end up with, okay? You get some grass, a little bit here on this side, but a lot of weeds. And now we're here, and you can see there's a big difference, huh? Well, this is what I did this spring. It was a lot of work, to say the least. You know, for someone like me, and I enjoyed it, and it was difficult. Fantastic time to stress test yourself if you have a condition, especially like one I have. And then you get to try to mitigate it, improve your technique of mitigation, your challenge to get to the next level with your physical therapy and mitigation daily. And not only that, you get to experience a lot of symptomology that you wouldn't otherwise, because the activity day after day for a couple of months, spring chores, restoring the lawn, getting the garden ready, gave me the opportunity to experience once again many symptoms that I've experienced over the years. So it's something that yeah, we got a couple patches here, you can see. I just took out some really nasty grass that was there. And I'm not sure what type it is. It's some type of a crabgrass. It's right here. You see it? Yeah, right there. There it is. That really nasty stuff. I already took a bunch out, but I'm looking at maybe poisoning the rest. There's a little bit left in this lawn, and I don't want the little bit, but we're going to get rid of it. But I'm tired. I don't want to be digging it out either. And plus you can't get it all out, and it's going to come back, parts of it. Well, anyways, I'm trying to make this lawn 100% grass. Well, it's never going to be 100% grass in these parts or anywhere on the planet for that matter. 99.9 maybe. And this area here, you can see it's new grass. I had decided that I had to come up higher, and I put dirt right on top of the grass I had just planted and planted some more. So this used to have a real big pitch going down like this. And so I built it up 6 inches at least. So all the water was actually flowing down into this corner here. I'm not quite done with that little landscape wall, but it's in place, it's good. My basil's going to go there. I always put basil in this spot every year. It does wonderful. It really does. Well, I hit the May rains perfect. We got a lot of rain the past few days, past few weeks actually, past week. Welcomed, and we're going to get rain for a few more days. Perfect grass growing season, and I hope your garden's in, because if it's in already, you're doing nothing, and you're just going to watch it grow at this point, right? Here we are in the backyard, and again, the entire backyard's been the grass. You can see it. The light green is all the new grass, and it's everywhere, as you can see. I mean, I totally restored the lawn. The dark green was last fall, okay, or the fall before that, okay, in this area down here by the walkway, right in there, that green spot. So most of this, however, is the past year. So this lawn's been completely restored for this property, and I have to say it's nice. I mean, the weeds were just, they were just, it was Custard's last stand for the grass. I'll put it to you that way. Well, wasn't easy. It was challenging. I take these projects on because I get to test myself. I get to experience the effects on my body, from the activities, and I get to work on mitigating them. It's a challenge. It's a fight in a way. It's a struggle. But when it's over, it's nice. So, yeah, looking good. I mean, the garden's complete. I'm just waiting for everything to grow.